fellow Americans, it is a great privilege for me to sit here high above the nationally famous La Brea River, a torrent even inspiring to me who occupy the greatest and most honorable office in our fair republic. Today, we celebrate the beginning of a new time in the history of southwestern United States. Friends, with the historic completion of this dam, by golly, we're going to have enough power for all you folks to watch the programs of your choice on the television. We see now, at the end of 12 years of struggling, physical, manual labor by some of America's finest citizens, those citizens who are willing to give of their time, their energy, and their country's blood, sweat, and emotional weight to get all of us here in the Southwest the power we need to continue. And I think it's a tribute to this great nation of ours that we have been able to lift ourselves to the point that we can that we can speak for all Americans and that we can give ourselves up to that Democrats and Republicans both shall, that taxpayers like you and like me can, that we can, I've got this, and I'm not going to sit still for it any longer. I've had it with the lack of concern, the apathy of the American people. The Congress has ignored me. The country has gone down the drain because I have not been able to give one single, solitary, demonstrable display of power in this government. I'm an American, and by golly, I'm not going to sit here and see Americans slandered. Why, I feel that we have a right to take care of... Oh!
The president's been shot! The president's been shot!